Maraming sabi-sabi na kaya magpapahinga ang Don Bell ay buntis ito. Pero hindi naman halata na buntis siya dahil hindi gagawin ng Don Bell yon. Dahil napakalaking respeto ni Donnie kay Bell. Talagang sabi nga ng mga netizens, sila ang greatest love team ng ABS-CBN at napakarami na nga silang nagawang trabaho na magkasama. They have the chemistry. I never knew come to this. No one actually knows, pero the message they give to each other show how much love they had of each other. Till the end, it was so full of genuineness. Hanggang sa huli, they give what they can give for each other and to their fans. May higpit na yakas sa mga Don Bell fans. I hope you will continue supporting them in their last project and to their upcoming individual projects. Meron din nakapansin na parang may something sa kanilang dalawa. Di lang nila masabi dahil personal nila yan. Parang naghiwalay na talaga sila in real life. Parang feel ko ganon. Pero dahil professional sila, ganyan lang ang atake. Pero makikita mo sa mata at kilos nila. Kami talagang fans na nasaktan. A lot of you are sad, but please know me and Belle are in a great place. Yan ang sabi ni Donnie. This family will always stay. That line alone already says so much. It does not erase the sadness, but it gives a gentle reassurance in the middle of everything soft, honest, and grounded. They face it with honest and respect, acknowledging this pose, while gently reminding us that what we build was never just a fandom, but a family, and as they continue to grow into individual artists they have always wanted to become, we are not being left behind, we are just growing with them in a different way. Sabi nga ni Donnie, hindi yan love team, asawa ko yan. At napansin nga ng mga netizen na pareha sila na suot na singsing at sabi nga nila Tiffany at Koyon. Malay natin kasalan na ang sunod ng Don Bell kaya ayaw na nilang mag love team.